Morgan Wallen net worth 2024. Who is Morgan Wallen? Morgan Cole Wallen is an American country pop singer and songwriter. Wallen is 30 years old. Wallen is height 1.79 meter. Morgan Wallen career. Morgan Wallen was born to Tommy and Leslie Wallen on May 13, 1993 in Sneedville, Tennessee. Tommy served for a time as a local church pastor, while Leslie worked as a teacher. In his teens, the family moved south to Knox County, where he graduated from Gibbs High School. He played baseball in college, but after an injury, he chose to pursue music instead. He completed in the 6th season of The Boys, originally as a member of Usher's team, but later as a member of Adam Levine's team. After being eliminated in the playoffs of that season, he signed to Panacea Records, releasing his debut EP, Stand Alone, in 2015. He has received several awards, including an Academy of Country Music Award and 14 Billboard Music Awards. In 2016, Wallen signed to Big Lord, releasing his debut album, If I Now Me, in 2018. The album includes the singles Up Down featuring Florida Georgia Line, Whiskey Glasses and Chasing You. If I Now Me reached number 1 on the Billboard Top Country Albums chart. Wallen's second album, Dangerous, the double album, was released in January 2021 and in February 2021 become the only country album in the 64 years history of Billboard 200 to spend its first 7 weeks at number 1. It spent a total of 10 weeks at that spot, the first album to do so since Whitney Houston's Whitney in 1987. The album included singles More Than My Hometown, 7 Summers, and Bastard on You. His third studio album, One Thing, at a time 2023, topped the Billboard 200 for 18 non-consecutive weeks, with all of its 36 tracks entering the Billboard Hot 100. This broke the record for most songs by an artist on the chart at one time. The single Last Night cut atop the Hot 100 in 2023, becoming Wallen's first single to do so, and later set the record for the most weeks at number 1 for a non-collaboration song, as well as Sting for the second most weeks of all time and topping the year-end chart. Morgan Wallen personal life. Morgan Wallen and ex-fiancée Katie Smith have a son together who was born in July 2020. Morgan Wallen net worth 2024. According to online sources, Morgan Wallen's net worth is estimated to be $15 million.
Thanks for watching this video. I request to you do like, share and subscribe.